Look what's coming here, y'all. They're blue. Blue and white, black and white, and brown and white.
Here comes another one. Chasing through. Oh, a couple of them.
Oh my God, how beautiful. Here come Mommy and Daddy following up in the rear.
And this is why we do this.
Look at them beautiful babies. This is exactly why we do this. Oh, I love them so much. Mm.
I'm not going until they're gone.
Hello, babies. Oh, they're eating something over there.
They knew where to head too, didn't they?
They're tearing into it.
That ain't something they spotted. They knew where to go.
So awesome.
Still two over here, not full.
I wish y'all could hear the noisy crunch, 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 crunch of them eating. It's so cute. Oh my God, I love them so bad.
Beautiful babies. And Mom and Dad.
Beautiful
Mom and
creatures.
Dad took off.
Well, all that throw produced was a little bit of fencing. It looks like the bottom of a Spam can.
New spot on the same river.
New spot, same secret location. Just down the way some. Really not much here. May have to move down some more. So we changed spots. And this one's looking fruitful. This looks like a fender off a bike, but it's turned the wrong way maybe. Can't tell. Oh. And the rest of it's just leaves and crunch a munch. George is over here. Let me try to get over there without killing myself. What you got, Bane?
I thought I had a snake.
Oh, God.
It scared me. Yep, I got a kid's fishing pole.
A kid's fishing pole. Neato, man. Moron. Got something weird coming up on my magnet. Let's see what it is. Oh, I know what that is. That's the remains of a shin splitter. So I got the rim. I got a piece of the pedal. Where are you? You're not going to believe this. George just got something off his bucket list. I don't know if you can see it from here.
I'm not going to show it until you get off.
Oh, you want me to come over?
Yeah.
All right.
You don't mind.
It's his bucket list find. Marty found one, but it wasn't good enough for him. He had to find his own. Everybody else finds them all the time. Dun, dun, dun. It's an ink pen.
Ink pen. I have never found one of these. And this is a very old one. I think it's a rider.
Moron.
I want to ride my ink pen. I want to ride it now.
Look what I just got. Along with my crunchy munch, I got a piece of license plate, and it's 1966, and guess what that means? That's Jorge's year of birth.
Yay, Jorge!
It shows how old he is.
I'm a youngster, I'm a pup.
It's got the last three numbers, 687 and 1966.
Yay, me.
And Ucky, not Kentucky, it says Ucky.
It will be cleaned and restored. No, just cleaned.
I got like a piece of handle or something. Or a full handle. A little toilet handle. I mean, I don't know what it is. It's a cute little thing. And then nothing. George has got to find. He's got an S. Oh, the sun may be getting me. An S for shiny. George is pulling a can up the side. Let's go see what kind it is. Oh, it's a food can. I thought it was a good can.
Organic lentil soup.
Oh, nasty. There you go. Organic lentil soup. Reduced.
Hang on, I'll give you a date.
Yeah, we'll see the date.
Give me just a second, folks.
They can't hear you.
Best before 04/2025.
Best before 04/2025?
Yeah.
Well, it ain't that old, but it looks terrible. Ugh. Lentils, organic lentil soup. I just moved over here, and I was talking to a guy and his dog, and I happened to look under this bench. And can you see what's under there? There's a box of Christmas ornaments under there. I'm not going to get them, but I want everybody to see that's weird. Very, very strange. Alright, just pulled up this. Don't know what this is. Weird looking. That's about it. Methinks we got a piece of chair. I think it's the side of a chair. That's heavy. Yay! The water is way up today. I'm having trouble with my microphone, so if you're having trouble understanding me, please go to the transcript down below the description.
Hello.
There's Jorge.
Kratos, baby.
And this is his first little find. We don't know what it is. Yuck. It's a little something. No clue. Don't know if it's worth taking home and cleaning up or what.
I say what?
It's got 4 little screw holes, both sides. Just don't know. Well, I don't think it says anything, but just got my first button of the day. Very nice. Nice! George got something round. I'm not going over there. I hope you can see it, because it's bothering me.
Maybe a track cap or
We found 2 track explosives in our time so far, but
they look like this.
I'm not going over there.
No.
Quit messing with it.
I'm gonna set it in some water and dispose of it properly.
George got another trunk hinge. Hope you can see it. It's kind of shady down here.
It's kind of shady here anyway.
Shady here anyway, he said. Huh. George just found a little toggle switch. He threw it over here.
And I got a button.
Never seen one of them on here before. Cute. Oh Lord, if you throw this button, it'll get lost.
Put your magnet right there with it. I missed it.
He just threw this over. Found him a button.
One side's got stars on it or something.
Definitely gonna be cleaning these up and see what they are. We do that all the time. I think I just got me a knife bleed. Not sure. If it is, it's pretty manked up. First knife of the day, a knife's a knife, no matter how cruddy.
Are the leaves falling bad in the UK?
Yeah, are y'all getting real bad leaves like, oh, this crap over there?
I mean, it's coming up on our magnets like crazy.
The crawdads are hiding in there and getting on our magnets. Just wondering.
Saw our third snake of the day, or of the...
George had to fight off a snake that was going to get me a couple days ago. It's probably on this video. We didn't film the snake, but he had to fight it off.
It's in the water. I didn't kill it.
He smacked it over into the water. Just got this. Not real sure what this is. If you know what this is, could you tell me? Because I'd like to know. And then George just got this. We're not sure if it's one of those Griswold flu plates or not. Had to be cleaned up to tell. Oh, my face is itching. Hope you can see it. I'm in the sun and I can't see nothing. I'm gonna take it home and clean it up regardless.
We had a peaceful time watching the ducks.
We had a real peaceful time with the duckies, and they're still over there. They're just hiding in the grass eating something. It's always so nice and so peaceful to have them around. I wish my otters were here too. Just got another button and it's red and it says something. Oops, it's turned over in my hand.
We love buttons.
We love buttons. I have no glasses, so I can't tell you what it says. It's not clean enough to see it either, so definitely let you know later. Alright, I hope y'all can see this thing I'm pulling up the bank here, because I have no clue about it. I don't know, this is completely wood here. Oh, it stinks. And then this is metal up here. I've never seen anything like that before. You gonna look at it, George? We just moved to a different spot over here. And it's got this gigantic pole. And George just threw something at me that he got. And leaves galore. It was a pocket knife at one time. Yes, it was. It still is, but it's broken off. I'll be danged. Oh, you'll never be able to see if this has got a name on it. Nice. So I got a gigantic pole and a knife. Third throw in the new spot. Very nice. Nice. And George got this weird thing. It's a bolt. I don't know what it is.
Is most of what you get covered in.
Yeah, real nasty.
You gotta wear old clothes and
Let's pull this up.
Gloves, yeah.
Do not know what it is. Yeah, you have to wear gloves because a lot of this stuff, it'll poke you, and make sure you've had your tetanus shot and everything, yeah.
we pulled up syringes too, by the way.
Really?
I don't know what this is. Oops.
Was that? Did you get both of those in one throw?
Yeah, they both came up at the same time. Don't know what that is. And then, oops, no.
You'd think you'd have a better chair for as much as you do this.
I know. Found another, I do believe it's a pocket knife, another broken one. Oh, you're fine.
This is so fun. I loved it.
Just pulled in a fuel pump. Met a young couple came over here and throw the magnets out and tried them out. They really like it. They didn't want to be on film though.